Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me how to make this spiral that I made uh, yesterday on a video, and I actually just made a video with this one and then realized that wasn't what they're asking, so I made this one. And this is really, really easy and a fun project. And so let's move this down and let's just draw one real quick, and I'll show them how I did this, because I did it in, if you haven't watched the first video, I did this in an arc. And this is real easy and kind of a fun project. You're using the spiral tool, which is under your polygon tool. And I'm going to change for the video, I'm going to change it back to like 5 spirals. And I'm going to make a rotation. And like in the previous video, I need to put this starting point to the bottom. So I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and I get that starting point. Now I'm going to go ahead and I've opened up my contour docker, which is under effects and contour. And I'm going to contour that. Let's tell you what, for the video, let's make it a little bit thicker. Let's make it 0.2. Make it a little bit thicker. Then we're going to go and break this contour apart and click the red contour. And in the previous video, I used the docker, but you don't really have to. You can just zoom in and then delete it. Now take this new contour and Control D, make a duplicate of it, and then holding down the control button, mirror it over. Now let's set our nudge distance on like 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. And let's just move this one over to your heart's content. Now let's just take our 2-point line and connect these two. So get your straight point line. And when you see it say node, you're on that node. So you know you're going straight across. See, it actually says midpoint, edge, node. You need to be on the node, and then it'll be perfectly lined up. Then you can take these other 2 lines and just cut them out. Then use one of my favorite tools, the Smart Fill tool, and just fill it in, and you've got that shape. That's how quick and simple it is. Now, actually, in the video, or in that one, I've got these 2 touching. This is 1 unit, so just Control D and make a duplicate of it. Start moving it over, holding down your control button. You get it to right about that edge. And you can, even though it's just really a fill, it will weld. So let's select them both, go up to weld, and you can weld them together. So that's how I got, when I got around this shape, these are welded together, but only after I created the boundary around this circle, I was able to go back and weld those shapes together where they kind of look like they go forever. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.